Shrek 4D is now closed at Universal Studios Florida and is already surrounded by work walls in preparation for a new attraction. Given the decoration along the walls, it's looking like Shrek's replacement will in fact be another Minions attraction, as has been rumored for years. But will this end up being a new ride, or a walkthrough, or something in between? Let's dig into rumors for what will replace Shrek 4D in today's news update. Shrek 4D has closed permanently after running for 18 years at Universal Studios Florida. The attraction's exit gift shop, Shrek's Yield Souvenir Shop, has also closed, but the nearby Shrek and Donkey meet and greet will remain open. Universal had been hinting at something on social media, posting photos of half-eaten bananas strewn about the park in the days leading up to Shrek 4D's closure. Bananas just so happen to be the Minions' favorite food. Today, we can see that Shrek 4D is surrounded by work walls featuring Minions-related graphics. For 4 years now, one of the leading rumors for a Shrek replacement has been for a new interactive attraction featuring the Minions. This experience was rumored to take place at the VillainCon location from the first Minions movie. Rumored to have originally been designed as a trackless ride and then changed to a walkthrough, current rumors have this attraction as something a little bit different. In all variations of the rumor, guests would be able to try out different gadgets and zappers in interactive displays around the convention floor. The current rumor is that instead of walking from booth to try your hand at firing interactive zappers, guests would instead be moved from one interactive shooting gallery to the next on large moving walkways. These walkways would take us to the next booth so we can play the game in front of us and then move us on to the next one, and everyone would likely be moving at the same time. Supposedly, the technology for these moving walkways can even allow for turning corners. It could be like Toy Story Mania at Disney parks, but instead of being seated on a ride vehicle that takes you from game to game, you would stand in place while the floor moves you to where you need to be. None of these details have been confirmed by Universal, though. Permits we believe to be related to this project were recently filed with Orange County. They describe interior demolition of some of the walls inside of the building as well as some of the existing slab. The permit also lists demolition of the existing compressed air system as part of the work included. That could be related to the pneumatic air system that was used to add motion to the theater seats as well as create special effects for the Shrek 4D show. A notice of commencement was filed with Orange County recently as well. This notice described audio and visual equipment for Building 40, which is where Shrek 4D was located. The contractor listed on the document is HoloViz Incorporated. They specialize in interactive and immersive screen media, which is in line with the rumors for this new attraction. Fans of Halloween Horror Nights might be able to rest easy knowing that the annual event may not be losing a haunted house location with the closure of Shrek 4D. There are rumors that a section of the building will be allocated for mixed use, including Halloween Horror Nights houses each year. While rumors originally had this new attraction opening in time for the release of the second Minions film this summer, a new rumor suggests that the Minions Standing Ride will instead be opening in 2023. Again, Universal has not yet announced any official details, including an opening date, as of this video. Permits have also been filed for demolition of the Fear Factor Live Theater in the same park, so we may see movement on that project within the next few weeks as well. That attraction is rumored to be replaced with an expansion for the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Diagon Alley. The leading theory for that has been a virtual reality experience where you get to fly on a broomstick, but no details are known at this time. Stay tuned for more information on these new projects at Universal Studios Florida, and don't miss our last video about the extended refurbishment for Revenge of the Mummy, which is going on now. If you like what we do, consider joining our Patreon for exclusive content and early access. Thanks for watching. See you next time.